Scan for Sovi and straight A's only. Let's go! Snowshoe hares change color based on daylight, but one group stays white. Let's find a testable question to explain this genetic mystery. To explain the origin of different coat colors, we must look at the source of these traits. We need to investigate if the genetic instructions themselves differ between these two populations. Comparing DNA sequences of genes associated with color is the only way to see if a mutation occurred. This provides a clear, testable path to find the actual cause of variation. Options B and C assess fitness or food, not the genetic origin. Option A directly tests the DNA sequence, making it our perfect scientific winner. Well done! Scan the code to learn with Sovi. Avoid the rush and trust the given data to find the right genetic cause.